Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You first confirm your phone supports 5G and that your VI SIM or eSIM is provisioned for 5G. Once done, update carrier settings and OS so the handset recognizes the network. Make sure your plan shows 5G entitlement in the VI app or by calling customer care. Do this before moving on. Now insert the SIM or enable the eSIM and restart the device so the network registers your subscription and the radio firmware picks up VI's 5G. You now configure the phone to prefer 5G. Go to Mobile Network Settings and select Auto or 5G/LTE mode. Once set, make sure VI is the preferred carrier and disable any manual roaming locks that could force LTE. If you see an option for 5G/NR, toggle it on. If not, recheck carrier updates. Also verify the APN. VI should provision it automatically, but if not, reset APN to default so data and VO LTE/VO NR services work seamlessly with 5G. You finish by testing in a confirmed VI 5G coverage area. Look for the 5G icon and run a speed test to validate higher throughput. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode, reboot the phone, or reinsert the SIM to force re-registration. Once done, make sure VO LTE/VO NR is active for calls. If problems persist, contact VI support with your IMEI and SIM details so they can confirm entitlement. This single troubleshooting step resolves most provisioning issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.